So here's how to create a pie chart in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the cells that you want to put in your pie chart, and then from the above side you need to go with the insert, and under the chart section you will probably see these charts. So you can select any of these. So we're gonna select the 2D chart like that, and then again simply select the chart and go to the chart design, and from here you can see there are lots of chart design right over here, but we will go with this one, which is quite good, I should say. So that's how you can simply create a chart. But if you want to create a chart in a shot, you can simply select these cells, and under this section quick analysis you need to click on this, and this icon will show up. Like as you can see, there are different types of charts right over here. You can either go with and simply check how it's looking. So there you have it. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.